Josh has got to deal with me. Oh! Oh!
Let me see those dogs anyways. Those chili dogs.
We hide away all the other evidence. I didn't even eat. This is Josh's stuff, people. Okay? But the fans want the two-bite chili dog guy out here. Whoa. Not the one with the extra onions, though. We'll go to this one. See what we can do. Oh my god. This is a disaster.
Alright, here we go. 2 cookers.
2 bites.
2 bites.
I don't think I can do it. Oh god. He's not gonna toss my neck.
Take your time. Here we go. Last one.
Oh, you did it.
Let me see. No problem.
Go on.
You gotta get it down.
So much better that way. If you could try it, do it. Don't think about it, just do it.
What about that other chili dog?
That other chili dog's gonna try.